Explosion outside Israeli embassy in New Delhi. A low-intensity blast occurred nearby the Israeli embassy in New Delhi on Friday, police said, adding that there were no casualties. The explosion, caused by a very low-intensity improvised device, damaged the window panes of 3 nearby parked cars, a Delhi police spokesman said in a statement. Initial impressions suggest a mischievous attempt to create a sensation, the statement said.
Subscribe on YouTube DD Pak News. Daily Debate Pakistan News Network.